Why do I always have to make a mess? Oh, you're making it worse. Hello, Splodgers. Hope you're doing well today. Nice, easy one. I've had this clay slime lying around a while. Oh, stringy. I have been saving this one, wondering what to do with it, and I've decided today we're going to make metallic slime. So I've got my mica powder. I'm going for bronze. It looks lovely. I always find with mica powder, start with a little, see how the colour takes, and then you can always add more, can't you, as you go along. So nice small amounts to begin with. Why do I always have to make a mess? Oh, you're making it worse. I don't suppose you can ever make too much mess, can you? It's all part of the fun. Oh, it is looking a bit mucky down there, but get it all on, stretch it in, really work it in. Really sticks to your fingers, does mica powder, so you need to wash them afterwards. But it's all part of the fun. I love it. That's looking beautiful. Squishy maker is out, and this slime is going to go in. Look at the glimmer on that, really metallic. Now you know I love my glitter, and I'm putting 3 in today. I'm starting off with these coconutty pink shards and these beautiful unicorn heads. Look at those. Nay, don't put me in. You're all going in. And a 3rd glitter, I think these purple sparkles. Mix it together, let's see what we get. What have we got? Oh, that is delicious. That looks like metal. Oh, that bronze colour is fantastic. Don't know where the unicorn heads have gone. Don't know if there's maybe a head of unicorn heads all in the middle of this squishy hanging out together. You've got to agree, this one looks lovely. Get trying it at home. It's a nice, easy one for you to do. Keep on splodging, guys. Tell me in the comments, what do you want me to make next?